PBS is holding a documentary screening and fundraising event on November 1st, and it's in collaboration with the Cleveland Clinic Lou Ruvo Center for Brain Health. And the new documentary tells how a son's love for his father led to the Las Vegas, becoming a global leader in research and treatment of brain disease. It's going to be super interesting, very educational. And joining us now, Jeff Grandy from Vegas PBS, and also Ruth Allman, the clinical manager over at Lou Ruvo. Welcome.
Thank you.
Thanks for having us. We got a lot to talk about, don't we?
Yeah.
Documentaries always so interesting. People find them, they learn from them, obviously, and then obviously so interesting because usually it's a period of time that someone's followed and they get to tell their story. I bet you're looking forward to showing this off.
Yeah, and Vegas PBS has a strong commitment to telling a sense of place because there's so many people that come to the Valley from somewhere else across the country, and we always try to pick a historic icon or event, and with Lou Ruvo sort of being a Rat Pack restaurateur with the Venetian, perfect fit for us to tell that story, and then how Larry and Camille took that and established Keep Memory Alive and the Cleveland Clinic here in Las Vegas.
And I think most people know what it is, but for folks that don't know, when you drive down near the outlets and you see that strange looking, really cool, very artsy, beautiful building, that is the Cleveland Clinic, and there it is up on our screen right there. And tell folks how this has really, changed things for people that need help for all sorts of brain health, Alzheimer's, much more than that even.
Well, listen, it was always the Ruvo's vision, again, that they could get top quality medical care, especially for people with Alzheimer's right here in Las Vegas, and that people would not have to leave our community. So they could get medical care, their caregivers could also get support. And so right now what we're doing is treating people who have what we call neurodegenerative brain disorders. So people with Alzheimer's, other forms of dementia, Parkinson's, multiple sclerosis, Huntington's disease, and multiple system atrophy. And so people can get that quality care right here, as well as their families. We have a lot of other services available to them also.
Yeah, when I recently actually did tour, I was noticing that there was even a library with free materials for folks and all sorts of stuff that the community can take advantage of just to even learn or prepare if they have a family member, right?
Absolutely, and that really was been at the heart of what the Ruvos wanted to do, was make sure that no caregiver had a barrier to be able to caring for their loved one. So we have a lot of free services that are generated by work with PBS and other folks, generous folks in our community, to help provide those free services to caregivers and families.
Okay, well, the event is obviously partnered with PBS, and you guys are also going to show it on PBS, so it's kind of a twofold thing. What do folks need to know about the first thing if they want to go?
So about the event, the event is Thursday, November 1st, 6 p.m. at the Keep Memory Alive Event Center. Tickets are still available. They can call 702-737-7500. The first part is more of a food adventure with different celebrity chefs and award-winning restaurants. There's even a nice surprise from Thomas Keller from Bouchon. And then we'll do a little screening, a couple clips just to tease people and get everybody excited.
Yeah.
And then about the second thing, to make sure they tune in to Vegas PBS on Channel 10 on Monday, November 5th at 10 p.m.
There's a lot to learn. It's a very interesting family, very interesting journey, and I think a lot of people are really going to enjoy this. Thank you so much both for coming on.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Stay with us, Rebecca.